Union Minister Jairam Ramesh has quoted controversy after praising the Aam Aadmi Party for its contribution passing the Lokpal Bill. Also taking a dig at the Congress, Jairam Ramesh says that had the Lokpal Bill been brought 2 years ago, we wouldn't have been facing the problems we are. In the meantime, the Congress is hating out at the Union Minister, questioning what has he done for the bill.
Rural Development Minister Jairam Ramesh is an articulate man. But his latest articulation has landed the Congress in a tight spot. In unwholesome praise of arch-rivals Aam Aadmi Party, Ramesh said Congress contributed in AAP's rise by delaying the Lokpal Bill and that Kejriwal's party should not be taken lightly.
At a time when the Congress is trying hard to take ownership of the Lokpal Bill and trying to attach Rahul's face to this anti-corruption drive, Jairam's comments that the Lokpal Bill is too little too late has clearly invited ire from the Congress's top leadership, prompting Janardhan Trivedi to disown Jairam's statement.
भ्रम उन लोगों का होता है जो उन लोगों को होता है जो स्वयं राजनीतिक कार्यकर्ता नहीं रहे, जो नहीं जानते हैं क्या कष्ट होता है पार्टी बनाने में और राजनीतिक कार्यकर्ता बनने में, क्या तकलीफें सहनी होती हैं, कितनी घिसाई के बाद पहचान बनती है, कितनी रगड़ाई के बाद पहचान बनती है, जिनकी पहचान अकस्मात बन जाती है, उस दर्द की कमी से वो कुछ भी बोल सकते हैं.
The veiled attack on Jairam Ramesh, a pointer towards his limited experience in electoral politics. But the Rural Development Minister's views were in sync with opinion polls, which indicate AAP's growing relevance across India. And Jairam Ramesh, who is a Congress strategist and a key member of Rahul Gandhi's core team, had an explanation for Aam Aadmi Party's meteoric rise in national politics and the reason why they are now being viewed seriously by all other political parties and the challenges that they may pose to anybody in any state.
आम आदमी पार्टी ने राजनीति की भाषा बदली है. आम आदमी पार्टी ने राजनीति की दिशा और दशा भी में बदलाव लाया है. अब तक दिल्ली तक सीमित है, पर अगर मुख्य धारा की पार्टियां अगर ये जनता की आवाज नहीं सुनेंगे तब वो इतिहास हो जाएंगे.
Jairam Ramesh's views on Aam Aadmi Party, though, were completely rubbished by his own party. As Janardhan Trivedi said, evolving consensus and passing Lokpal was UPA's achievement and not the Aam Aadmi Party's.
कितनी बाधाएं थीं, दूसरी पार्टियों को उसमें राजी करना, उसके लिए समर्थन जुटाना, उसका प्रारूप तय करना, जितनी मुश्किल से सरकार को गुजरना पड़ा है, उसमें इसी में संतोष करना चाहिए कि वो पास हो गया. अन्ना हजारे जी और बाकी लोग भी उसमें कोई दोष नहीं देखते हैं, तो ये सब बातें करना व्यर्थ है. जो लोग आज उस पर टिप्पणी करते हैं, उनको बताना चाहिए कि उन्होंने इसके लिए पहले कितना प्रयास किया है.
While his admiration for the Aam Aadmi Party may win him some friends from the political rivals, the question is, will it make Jairam Ramesh a lot of enemies in his parent party? Bureau Report, Times Now.